This is how crazy strong an elephant is. Just because a big tree blocked its path, it actually pushed down the entire tree. How did the elephant do it? Let's continue to watch. The elephant found the right position and used its trunk to tightly wrap around the trunk of the tree. Then it began to push the tree wildly. You can see the tree swaying from side to side as the elephant pushes it. Elephants are the largest land animals in existence today. They have huge bodies and their strength is immense. With one powerful push, the tree breaks directly. The elephant didn't stop there and continued to push until the whole tree suddenly fell down. It's really amazing to see the strength of the elephant, being able to easily push down even a big tree.